welcome back to my channel. So finally it is here. It's been out of stock for a while, but finally it's here. This is what we're gonna unbox today, my new mixer. So this arrived a couple of days ago, but it's just now that I have the time to open it, so I'm really excited. Ever since I was young, I've always enjoyed baking, so this is really a nice addition to our home, especially now that I have kids. I can enjoy baking with them. The only thing really that kind of makes me hesitate on baking is because of the mess and the cleanup after. So let's start unboxing this Breville, the Bakery Boss mixer. I'm so excited. Let's do it. So there you guys. It's pretty big and it's pretty heavy. I cannot wait to use it, especially this glass bowl. This is actually a pretty nice thing. And you know, it has a handle, so if you know you're kind of mixing stuff, at least you have a handle. It also has this one, so I'm pretty happy with this. I hope it's working well. And but it has a cover, and this thing to pour things easier, I guess. The attachments, so they have attachments. This one, I think it's coated, so but this one is, I guess, stainless steel, so that's okay. It also has a spatula or a spatula knife thingamajigs. And also this one, something that you would also need. Yeah. We are finally going to use the mixer, and the first recipe that we're gonna make, of course, is the classic. Tell them, Light.
chocolate cake.
Plug it in. Press. So tilt up and then press again to put it down. Now we are gonna fold. We're gonna choose which one are we gonna use. Light mixing. Do we need light mixing? Folding kneading.
All the way up there.
You can use those sides to scoop it.